Hi guys, Lyndon Poskitt. I'm just here this morning to inform my YouTube subscribers about my evening with Lyndon in the UK, a tour of the UK next week. That's November the 18th to November the 22nd, 2019. It will start in Glasgow and we will cover 5 cities: Glasgow, Birmingham, Cardiff, London and Manchester, starting on the 18th in that order, running through to the 22nd of November. So that's next Monday to Friday. I will be sharing all kinds of interesting stories, facts, figures, things that you might not know about Races to Places in a fun and interactive presentation evening for you all, and I hope to see some of you there. We'll have a bike or two on display, we'll have some merchandise available and plenty of time to interact and ask questions. I've got a new format, so we've got new content, new stories and a new format which I hope will be a better way to interact with you as an audience, and I think we're going to have a really fun time. So it'd be really cool for some of you if you could come along. I'd like to meet you, I'd like to share some stories with you and have a fun interactive evening. So please bring friends, family, anyone else along. It's not just all about motorcycles, there's all kinds of stories and things in the evening, and I hope to see some of you there. So just a reminder, 18th to the 22nd of November, Glasgow, Birmingham, Cardiff, London and Manchester. You can find out all the information and get your tickets on eventbrite.co.uk. Just search for Races to Places or Lyndon Poskitt, everything's in there. And I'll put a link in the description to this video, so you can just click the link for each venue and find the one closest to you. Hope to see you there, won't take any more of your time, looking forward to it. Cheers.